Python truncate a long string. How does one truncate a string to 75 characters in Python? This is how it is done in JavaScript.
This code matches the JavaScript, but you should consider using data, column 73, or so that the total result including the dot fits in 75 characters.
Even more concise. If it is less than 75 characters, there will be no change.
Even shorter.
For a Django solution, which has not been mentioned in the question, have a look at Truncate's source code to appreciate the problem. This URL, concerning truncation with Django. Django HTML truncation.